Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. On this channel, I like to showcase the automotive culture and the positive impact it has on the community. And if you're a car enthusiast, you like anything about cars, please be sure to hit the subscribe button for future videos. This week, we're going behind the wheel with Karissa Anderson. She drives a nicely spec Scion FRS. She is the first female to be featured on my channel, so very glad to have her. She recently came runner-up in a big competition that was going on during COVID, which was basically an online car competition. I'm going to let her dive more into what the competition entailed. With that being said, let's hop into the feature.
Hi guys, my name's Karissa Anderson. I live in Bemidji, Minnesota. Here is my 2013 Scion FRS. I've had it going on almost 8 years now. I bought it brand new. It's got about 155,000 miles on it. Started building it probably about 3 years ago, I'd say. We started with really small stuff. So we got the custom Visual AutoWorks window vents that I had. I actually got them from somebody off of Instagram. So if you want some of those, Visual AutoWorks. Then we've got some carbon fiber overlays just for the mirror caps and the door handles. And then coming to the back here, we have a 70-inch Battle Arrow chassis mounted wing. I've got the custom painted Valenti taillights. Those are done and retrofitted by Intimidation Lighting as well. And then I have for my rear diffuser, it's the Rallybacker V2 diffuser. We also have a carbon fiber Vicrez duckbill here. So Tuner Battlegrounds, it's a competition that PASMAG magazine holds every year. I had heard of it before, looked into it a little bit, but didn't know a whole lot about it. I actually have a subscription to PASMAG. The Tuner Battlegrounds, it's actually open to anybody. Anybody that has a modified car, you can enter in. It's all online. This year, well, last year is when I entered in. I kind of just stumbled across it and was like, you know, maybe I should do this, like this would be cool, you know, like why not? I just got to enter in. My sponsor, Intimidation Lighting, was actually entered his car in, and he's like, hey, let's enter our cars in. So you submit like photos of your car, you do your build list, tell a little bit about your story. You post it online, they'll go through all this process and everything. I think it started out with, I want to say there was like 128 cars. Somewhere right around there is what it starts out with, and it's a voting process. So they have stages, so there was 7 stages, and every stage they do an elimination process. Under the hood, we've got the Jackson Racing C30 Supercharger Kit. We've had it powder coated and everything, actually in Brainerd. Then I just recently got my Passer JDM carbon fiber engine pieces here. So we got the engine cover. We've got an APR cooling plate. I've got the Cusco strut bar. We are on airlift airbags, so I've got the Performance series. The voting was based through Facebook, so you had to have a Facebook login, which made it kind of difficult. That's where the community came in. I spent hours upon hours every single day posting on, you know, MNCC, all of the car groups, reaching out to all the people I've met over the last couple years. Anybody that I had, share this link, you know, do this, go tell all your friends, vote. I had tremendous help from people I met at Power Cruise, people I rode with, like it was crazy, you know, they're sharing on their pages, and it was pretty awesome. And I ended up making it to the final stage, which I was amazed. I couldn't believe I made it that far. It actually ended up being me and one other female. She has a 2013 FRS as well, so that was kind of a coincidence. And then it was just a head-to-head battle. Whoever gets the most votes, she ended up taking home the win, and I got runner-up. With that, I get to do this feature in a magazine for them, so I'll get to be in their magazine. Plus, I also got a $500 donation to my choice of a food bank, which I did donate to Bemidji Community Food Shelf. and that was thrown in kind of last minute. They announced that when they announced the winners, which was really cool.
So coming around the front of the vehicle, we have the Battle Arrow front splitter, the Morimoto XB LED headlights and fog lights, which are custom retrofitted by Intimidation Lighting here locally in the cities. We have the Vicrez carbon fiber canards. We have the custom size, custom colored work P7R 2-piece wheels, the Rallybacker V2 16-piece wide body kit, Battle Arrow front splitter, Seibon carbon fiber hood.
It was a lengthy process. It was probably about over 6 weeks, I think, is about how long the contest. So I think everybody was tired of my post, but everybody pulled through for me because I would have never thought I would have made it that far. And I was getting anywhere from 200-300, you know, every like 3-4 days, which was awesome. I mean, for not knowing that many people and just getting out and getting to know like the Minneapolis community and stuff like that, and really getting to know people, I definitely feel like everybody came through.
It's just changed everything.